Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. My son has a ton of toys and we could never figure out how to organize them. They were just shoved into the corner. But now they look like this, so much nicer, thanks to these Woffit jute baskets. I love them so much. They were so easy to put together. You just have to unfold them and Velcro these posts, and it says toys on the side, which is super cute. Also, it has helped my son actually put away his toys now that he has this big basket to throw it into. He finds it super satisfying. He also likes to play in it, and I love that it has no sharp edges, so I don't have to worry about him getting hurt. The stuffed animals in his room were overflowing, so we use the second one sometimes for all his stuffed animals, which he also loves to put away. And it's such a lightweight basket. He can drag it back into the corner where it's supposed to go, and he feels super satisfied. The other side does not say anything on it, so I like to use it in my living room for our blankets because we have so many and they look so nice put away like that. If you are trying to organize your kids' toys or blankets or anything else in your house, I highly recommend these baskets. They are super nice and big, but also very durable, and there's no sharp edges, so you don't have to worry about your kids getting hurt on their toy boxes. I love them, and I think you will too. And that's my point of view.